Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use a PoE PLC adapter to set up a bird box camera system. Well, PoE PLC adapter is just like a regular adapter, a PLC adapter, which will help us send the Wi-Fi signal more along, but it has a power line as well, which will help us receive the signal and then use PoE signals to transmit it to our IP device, in this case, our wired PoE bird box camera. So we know that when we set up bird box cameras, the wireless and wired bird box camera have their advantages and disadvantages, and the PLC PoE adapter has combined all their advantages together and kind of eliminated their disadvantages. So with the PoE PLC adapter, we don't have to worry about the unsteady connections, of the complicated lining for the Ethernet cable. It will provide us a section of wireless signal transmission which will not be interfered, and then a wired transmission which have very steady connection. So what do we need? We need this PLC adapter and this power line. They usually come in a pair, and then we have our wired bird box camera in this birdhouse right now. So when we set it up, it's really easy. We find our router, which is basically our main data center. We connect our PLC adapter to our router, and then after that, this part will start transmitting wireless signals, and our power line route here will go kind of like on the outside of our house, where it can create a very barrier-less area between the camera and this power line adapter. And then it can use an Ethernet cable to directly connect to our camera. In that case, this whole equipment has to be waterproof. This is why it is, you can see, has bolts on it and also has glands on it, which will completely block the water and dust from the outside. And also we have to make sure that on the other end of our power line, this is a alternating current plug-in, so we have to make sure our alternating current plug-in has a little bit of waterproof cover as well. So now let's do an easy setup, and I'll show you guys how easy it is. It's not much difficult. So first of all, we go to this part where basically is where our router is, or some people like to say their data center. And then we use a short patch cord, connect our PLC adapter, which we can see as the transmitter, to our router. And after that, we plug it in an alternating current. Really easy. And when there's power through, it will start reading the data and transmit it out. Okay, so after this end is totally set up, we're going to move to this end where we're going to imagine we're outside the house now, and now we take our power line here, use an Ethernet cable. This is a 20-meter Ethernet cable. Connect one end to our power line here, and then the other end we go all the way to our bird box camera and plug in. After this is complete, we're going to find the waterproof power outlet outside of our house, plug this in, and then make sure there's power going through it. You can see there is power going through it currently. This is on our bird box camera's indicator. There's power and data going through, and let's now take a look at our app and see if there is data and images coming through. So right now we have our phone out. We're going to go to our app and then log in, and we'll see our device in the list and wait for it. So once we have connected to our Wi-Fi, which will be how we're going to get our image, now we go to our app, we logged in, and let's see, look for on the same router. Device existed. Let's try to delete it. Here it is. We add the device, and now let's take a look at it. Here you go. We have a clear image of the inside of our bird box. I'm going to stick my finger inside the bird box to let you guys see it's a live video feed. So yeah, everything is successfully connected, and that is how we connect it with our power line solution. Alright, if you guys have any more questions about this method, you can leave them at the section below. Thank you guys for watching today, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.